Chapter 3 review, angles 2 and angle 4. 2 is right here, 4 is right here, so those are vertical angles. 16 is right here, and 10 is right here. And you might want to cover up this part. 16 and 10 are interior angles, and they're opposite sides. So those are alternate interior angles. Angle 2 is right here. Angle 8 is right here. And again, you might want to cover up that part. 2 and 8 are alternate exterior angles. 5 is right here. 16 is right here. There's no relationship between those two. Letter E, 3 plus 6 equals 180. Those are interior, and they are same side interior angles. 13 is right here. 12 is right here. Those are same side exterior angles. 10 is right here. 14 is right here. Notice how that's kind of upper right and upper right. Those are corresponding angles. 13 and 14 are a linear pair. And 10 right here and 1 right here, there is no relationship. Question 2, parallel segments. You can have a bunch of different options here. I'm going to pick A, B, and D, E. AB is parallel to DE. Perpendicular segments, right here. AD, that's our symbol for perpendicular, and DE. Skew segments are like this, kind of hard to see on this projector, where these two don't intersect, but they're not in the same plane. And for skew, I would have DE and FC. And parallel planes is going to be the front and the back. So I would call that plane A, B, C, which is the back one, and plane D, E, F, which is the front one. Number 3, 5 and 3 are corresponding angles. 1 and 7 are alternate interior, and 5 and 1 are a linear pair. At the top of the next page, if 4 is parallel to 5, if 4 is congruent to 5, then we can say that A is parallel to B. And here, if 4 is congruent to 5, we can say that A is parallel to C. To find X, this is 112. 180 minus 112 is 68 degrees. So this would be 68. That would be 112. 112, 68, and that one right here that we're trying to find out would be 68 degrees. And letter B, if this one is 86, that one is corresponding, so that is also 86 degrees. Number 6, these are corresponding angles. So we can do 26x plus 22 equals 38x minus 14. When you subtract 26x from both sides, you have 22 equals 12x minus 14. And if you add 14 to both sides, you have 36 equals 12x, and x equals 3. Of course, that is not your correct answer. You were asked to find KLM, which is right here. So 38 times 3 minus 14. Let's see, 4 down. You're going to have to check what that is. I can't do that right off the top of my head right now. B, those are alternate exterior angles, so those are congruent. 33x plus 35, equals 26x plus 49. Subtracting 26x from both sides, you will have 7x plus 35 equals 49. And when you subtract 35 from both sides, you have 7x equals 14 and x equals 2. We can use that to figure out this angle. 26 times 2 is 52 plus 49, I believe, is 101. And that means that angle DEF will be 79 degrees.